Hello and welcome to the channel. Lilies are blooming very rapidly in the garden. So the dwarf Asiatics are now started to finish, but the TA hybrids are just wonderful. So these are all cut flower TA hybrids. They look gorgeous, and also the early trumpets started to bloom, like Regale and Regale album. And this is an OA hybrid called Child in Time. It also looks nice. This is Volvic, also a TA hybrid. And I have virus infection in Avalon Sunset. Look how lovely the cultivars look, the Asiatics. Really nice. This one is Orfeo, also a TA hybrid. More Asiatics. The oleums are blooming, the rhizomatous oleums are looking nice. Candidum is still in full bloom. And the eryngiums are looking also nice, thankfully. So it's time to harvest the seed heads of ornamental onions and more Asiatics. Seedlings, and this is a trumpet seedling of mine. Looks nice. Oh, I have to get through this. So lovely LA hybrids, Tetra Asiatics, and I'm also looking for good stems for the show. So I try to memorize where I can see good stems. Triploid trumpet and OTs. So as I said, the dwarf Asiatics are finishing. More TAs. Look nice. Some longiflorums, Asiatics, and more LAs. And we have this huge wasp here, which is a parasitic wasp. It parasitizes the larvae of chafers. Everything is blooming all at once, of course. Why not? It looks nice, it's just a lot of work for me. So, and I still have my vole, so lucky me. More trumpets, some Asiatics, and I have some seedlings in bloom, and also I have dwarf double Asiatics and another TA hybrid, Madlink, and Hippeastrum overwintered outside and they started to bloom now. So that's a new thing for me. Fusion is blooming, nice big flowers, and Spirit of America, also nice big flowers, and Pardalinum with not very big flowers but nice still. I have gladiolus and my seedlings in flower, named seedlings, and some unnamed seedlings, but more Asiatics. They look really nice. So I like them. Double Asiatic. Lovely colors, forms, flowers. Well, this one was misidentified, so it's a yellow bruise. It's a nice plant, but I expected something far more interesting. They sold me something else again, so yep, part of life. So this one I like. It looks nice, have a good bud count. So I shall return with a knife to cut it for the show. This one also looks nice. Lovely plants. White cocotte is blooming. This one, nice. So nice white Asiatic. Thank you for attention. See you next time. Bye bye.